Hey you, and welcome to this video. Today I will help you out by showing you how to fly with the Elytra in Minecraft. So this is actually surprisingly easy, but at first you may struggle a little bit. So first thing you want to do, of course, is get your Elytra. I've got one in my inventory already right here. I've got a couple more in here in case I do manage to break this one, even though it has mending on it. Then what you want to do is of course equip it. Then you want to craft some fireworks, which we are going to do right now. Let's collect some paper and some gunpowder. I have a whole gunpowder farm, so I have plenty of course. Then what you want to do is, if you want to fly, you mostly want to have the flight duration 1 because it's the easiest to control, and that's just like this, flight duration 1. If we want flight duration 2 or 3, we put in more gunpowder, as you can see. So that's 3, that's 2. And all that does is just give you a bigger boost, but it also makes your character harder to control, and I'll show you exactly why. Let's equip the flight duration 1 for just a second, and after that the flight duration 3. So, as you can see, this is not a massive boost, but it does get you pretty high and pretty far, and it makes sure that you don't fall to your death. But if we press flight duration 3, you'll see what happens. The boost is way longer, which is ideal for open air flying, but if you're, say, in the nether where there's structures all around and the terrain is a bit rough, it may be a little bit hard to control with flight duration 3. So that's why I always recommend just having both of them in your inventory at the same time. That way you can pick and choose, of course. And I'll showcase exactly how to fly right now. So what you want to do is jump and then double tap and then launch using right click. You have to hold the fireworks either in your left hand like this or just like this in your inventory, and it will prioritize the one. So that's all there is to know about flying with the Elytra. The other thing that is pretty good to note is to make sure you have at least feather falling 2 or 3 on your boots, otherwise you will still fall to your death if you try to fly. But yeah, that's all there is to it. I hope we could help you out. If we did, please consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.